Amid the rising tensions between Israel and the Palestinian Islamic resistance movement, the international community has appealed for solutions to de-escalate the conflict.
I call for the immediate release of all Israeli hostages held in Gaza. Civilians must be protected at all times. International humanitarian law must be respected and upheld. Crucial life-saving supplies, including fuel, food and water, must be allowed into Gaza. We need rapid and unimpeded humanitarian access now.
Arab foreign ministers on Wednesday called for an immediate halt of the ongoing Israel-Gaza conflict and the revival of the stalled Palestinian-Israeli peace process.
التصعيد الجاري ليس وليد اليوم، ولكن له أسبابه الجذرية المعروفة للجميع من إنكار الحقوق الفلسطينية واعتبار الفلسطينيين من كل الألوان السياسية في الضفة الغربية أو غزة مشكلة أمنية لا أكثر.
يحدث كل هذا في خضم تصاعد خطاب استئصالي ممنهج مريع لا يبشر بالخير في المستقبل القريب، كأننا لم نستوعب بعد أن العنف لا يؤدي إلى العنف المضاد، وأن الإقصاء لا يولد إلا الإقصاء، وأن التطرف لا ينتج إلا التطرف.
Jordan's King Abdullah II on Wednesday also stressed the need for the international community to end the escalation in the Gaza Strip during phone calls with several foreign leaders, according to a statement released by the Royal Hashemite Court. Israel formed a unity government and a war cabinet on Wednesday to oversee the daily conflict triggered by Hamas' weekend surprise attack as it continued to launch airstrikes on the Palestinian enclave of Gaza Strip. As of Wednesday, more than 2,000 people have been killed and thousands of others injured on both sides.